Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you're doing well. Today's video I've decided to do something on Valentine's Day kind of look, and I've come up with this bright pink, a bit of highlight and kind of like bronzy eyeshadow look. So if you want to see how I've done this, please carry on watching. So as usual, for my brows I'm going to use my Inglot's brow liner gel. I'm going to load up our brush. This is from MAC 208 angled brush. There we go. With that, our brows are done. Now we're going to move on to concealer. This concealer is from MAC Cosmetics and it's in the shade NC42. I don't think I need to go any lighter than that. I'm just going to clean up right underneath the brow area. And then I'm going to pick up a fluffier brush. Load it up with concealer, and then I'm gonna just put it all over my lid for an even base. We're gonna set this with translucent powder. This one is from MAC. This way the eyeshadow will blend much smoother. It won't turn out to be earthy because our concealer that we put down is like a brown shade, so if you blend that with some eyeshadow it's going to end up looking muddy and earthy. So I've got here with me a Chi palette. This is Chi Aphrodite and the shades are just amazing. I'll pick up this orangey eyeshadow right over here. It's going to go right on the crease. And blend it up really well. Then we're going to go in with a crease shade, which would be this one right here. It does look a little bit lighter on camera because of the lighting, but it is quite dark. And then we're going to deepen that shade with a little bit of the brown. This would be that shade right there. For the center of the lip, we're going to go for a very light shade, and that would be this one right here. I'm going to go for this shade right here. It's got a little bit of sparkle on it, which looks very nice. I'm going to use my finger to press that on. Next we're going to do our eyeliner. I've got this one here from Stella and it's in the shade Intense Black. Now that the eyeliner is done, we're going to move on to the face, and I'm going to apply my primer, and the one I'm using today is from Benefit. It's the Professional Primer, my absolute favorite. I'm going to apply that all over the face. For the foundations, I'm going to use two foundations. One is from Clinique. This is the Oil-Free Stay Matte Foundation and the number 24 shade Golden, and the next one I'm going to use is from Estee Lauder. This is the Double Wear Foundation and this is in the number 5W2 in the shade Rich Caramel. Right, after that, now we're going to move on to finishing the eye makeup. I'm going to apply a little bit of the concealer underneath the eye so I can do the lower lash. So now with that in place, I'm going to move on and finish the lower lash line. Now for the eyeshadow on the lower lash line, I'm going to go and pick up the Aphrodite palette again, and this time I'm going to pick up a darker shade, which would be this brown right at the bottom here. I'm going to apply that right on the lashes. Then I'm going to pick up that reddish brown shade that we used earlier for our crease, and I'm going to put that on the bottom of the brown that we had put on, like so. And for my false eyelashes, I've decided to go with Red Cherry's Berkeley false eyelashes. To contour my face, I use AC on Tour palette from Australis. I'm gonna go ahead and pick this shade right over here and apply it just over there and blend it out. For my blush, I'm going to pick up this shade from MAC Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Pinch Me. And I'm just going to apply it right above where I did my contour. For my highlight, I'm going to use Girl Meets Pearl from Benefit, and this is like a liquid highlight. I'm going to put it on right there. This one is from Jeffree Star Cosmetics in the shade King Tut. I'm going to place it right over Girl Meets Pearl. For my lipstick, I have chosen Lime Crime's Pink Velvet. So let me know in the comments what you thought of this look, and if you did like it, please make sure to hit thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel because that would mean so much to me. And if you have tried this look on, don't forget to tag me on Instagram with amri.mua, and I'll be looking forward to seeing those pictures. Thanks very much, and bye.